look at the question then. So how would you say, again, did he drink the tea? Or did he drink? For all she and te. And how do you think then you'd say, I think he drank the tea? Shilam, all she, and te.
So Shilam.
Yeah, Shilam, gur, all she, and te.
Shilam specifically means I think. You can't say we think he ate my cookies.
Yeah, so you could say then, if you want to do that, it would be, okay, Shilam, Shilam is the same as Shilan May. Okay, Shilam is more common than Shilan May. Okay, for we think it's either Shilamich or Shilan Wij. Okay, and again, Shilamich is going to be more common for that. Shilamich. Okay. Shilamich, we think. Or Shilan Wij. Yeah, for the rest of them, you use Shilan. Yeah. Okay, like Shilan 2, Shilan Shan, Shilan She, Shilan Shi. Okay, but Shilam and Shilamij tend to be combined forms. Okay.
How do you say Shan thought?
Shilan.
Sean.
Or thinks. Shilan Shan.
Shilan.
So you use Shilan. Shilan Shan. Yeah, just the ones for I and we tends to be combined. Okay? So, let's just I'm going to put Shilam for now. Shilam gur ol shante. I think he drank the tea. Okay, so let's do another one. How would you ask, did he buy the car? Or can he shay car?
How come it change the gar?
That's just actually just like the car by itself doesn't have anything. It's if it's on the car, Aaron Gar. Something, or under the car, Fuin Gar. Like Aaron Moore is on the table, but just on board is the table by itself. Okay, and how would you say, I think he bought the car?
Shilam gur. Can you share gar?
So Shilam, gur, kanisha, and kar. So you just basically replace the or with gur to say, I think that he did that. Okay? Now, how would you ask, did he get a letter? Anyone remember how to say that? Anwur.
Lecture.
Or he, anwur she, litcher. Okay? Now, how do you think you would say, I think he got a letter? Shilam go wur. Shilam go wur shilitcher. So now, because we have un here instead of or, it's just go instead of gur. So it's just like we had Shilam go revshe sawalya. Okay?
Then how do you know he received it in the past?
Shilam go wur, I just think that he received. Shilam go wur.
If you don't have the gur, how do you know it's past?
Because this is a past form too. Fur means past. Yeah, if you want to say I think he gets letters, you would say Shilam go wain shilitracha. So that's a different form. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you said Shilam gur wur shilitcher, people would understand you. It just sound a little funny. Okay. So let's do a couple more. How would you say, did she write the letter?
Or
Screeve she and litcher. Okay. Okay, and how would you say, how would you say, I think she wrote the letter? Gur screeve. I think gur because it's or. Okay. And
How do we know which words to use, are or?
which ones to use
or
on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Memorize.
Yeah, let's see. I think this has them actually.
So
Yeah.
the week
Yeah,
memorize.
this little red thing down at the
congregations.
bottom.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, if you have this thing, this little thing at the bottom of your, that
They're
has,
sharp with you at all times.
I'm not going down without.
yeah, that has your irregular one. It's, see, it's those ones, which is 1, 2, 3, 4,
Dirt, Rinya,
5, 6. There's six that are irregular.
over there, Conic.
Yeah, so there's 6, okay, that are irregular, okay? So another one is, how would you say, did he go to Ireland? I don't remember how to say, ask,
Or
Or
hui.
and,
Or Hanshay, or
did I remember how to say that one?
On hui.
Yeah, Hui's went,
Go.
Hui.
and Yaki.
That was what I was gonna guess.
Oh, dependent.
And Yaki she, did he go where? To Ireland?
Aaron.
Go, huh?
Go Aaron.
Go Heron. And Yaki she go Heron, did he go to Ireland? And how do you think you would say then? I think he went.
Sheila.
Sheila go.
Sheila go.
That is sugar hair.
Shilum Ganyaki. You can say, actually, this is how you would say, I think so. Shilum Ganyaki. I think that went.
What's the origin for that?
The what?
The origin for Nyaki?
Che.
Che? Te?
Yeah. Yeah.
What was the exact translation?
So te means go. Okay?
Oh, there
So
it is.
Shilum Ganyaki is I think so.
Che.
Literally, I think that went. Okay, and it's understood. It's kind of like you're answering your yes to the question. Shilum Ganyaki. If someone asks, Anyaki Shigo Heron, did he go? And you just want to say yes, you would say who he went. So if you want to say I think so, you say Shilum Ganyaki. Okay?
So do you use chat to say go away?
Actually, you say imigla.
What does that like?
Che means go, but it's more the idea of going somewhere rather than just. Imi is more of the idea of leaving. Che is the idea of just going somewhere. Okay,
In a way, is
so imi, that's the idea of go away.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, the irregular part down here is the Anyaki.
Yeah. Yeah. There's. Okay. So Irish has 11 irregular verbs total. Okay. That means 11 verbs that do funny things. So they have different forms or they don't follow the patterns they're supposed to follow. Of those, 6 of them, I guess, are extra irregular in that instead of using the or things, they use the un form, and so that they do things differently in a few cases. Okay.
Do you eclipse the regular ones or just the irregular? Or?
In the past tense, you eclipse
All of them?
after on. You eclipse after on. You lenite after or.
You don't have to?
After or, you lenite. After on, you eclipse.
Okay.
Okay. So that's why it's anyaki. Okay. But it's or chani, did you buy? Or chani too. Okay. Okay. Do a little bit more with this one. I'm not going to do any more off the sheet. Okay. So, let's see. Let's do a couple more with this. Okay.
I like the sadistic look you
Huh?
gave us. I like the sadistic look you gave us.
Okay.
Okay.
So, let's try a couple things. So, if I want to ask someone, how would you ask? So, a Pauline. Okay. Okay. Everyone. Okay. We want to ask the question. So, how would everyone ask her? Did you go to Ireland?
Or Yanni.
Or Hanny too.
Yanni too. Aaron.
And Yaki too. Coher. Okay. And how would you say yes? Anyone?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
No, it's different form.
Hui.
Hui. Okay. Hui. So Kesley wants to ask Pauline, did you go to Ireland?
Yucky to go here.
And how would you say yes?
Hui.
Hui. Okay. So the question here is, did you go? And Yaki to, and the answer is when? Hui. And this is a very irregular verb. And again, those charts are good for that because whether it's off a chart or go look it up on the internet or something. Actually, we had a handout, I think, for the first lesson that had a bunch of those. Those irregular verbs are very important